Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Celsius espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just did a tune-up, replacing the valve behind the brew group, as well as the O-ring of the brew unit itself. And that's the brew unit itself. The valve that we replaced is that one over there. Focus camera, there you go, that's the one. That one over there. We replaced that, deep clean everything inside here, descale this machine, which really takes forever to descale. And yeah, just general service of the machine itself. So being inserted properly. Sorry about that. There you go. Perfect. Now we're gonna test it out with doing one espresso shot, and then we're gonna use the hot water and then the steam. Nice flow coming out of the machine. Working really good. Nice crema forming at the top of the cup. And excellent quantity of espresso. Now for the hot water. As you can see, working perfectly fine. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine and working excellent as well. Don't have my gloves, so I won't be able to touch it, but it's in really good temperature coming out of the steam of the hot water one. Now we're gonna test the steam. But before we do that, we're gonna empty the trip grate as we have a lot of water inside, so we'll be right back in a bit. Perfect, now that the tray is empty, we're gonna use this steam one to create steam and test the steamer of the machine. It's gonna take a little bit of a few seconds because the thermal block needs to get the temperature. Once it gets the temperature, the water pump will start pushing out water through the thermal block, and steam will start coming to come out of the steam one, as you can see right now. Once it does that, it takes a couple of few seconds to get up to real temperature, and we will see the full pressure of the machine. As you can see right now, working perfectly fine, excellent temperature as well, working really well. So there you have it, Saeco working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.